Morara Kebaso's arrest, a catalyst for debate on activism and free speech in Kenya. Introduction. Morara Kebaso, a well-known activist and lawyer in Kenya, has recently been arrested and charged with cyber harassment, drawing significant public attention and sparking debate. This article will explore the circumstances of his arrest, the charges he faces, and the broader implications for freedom of expression and activism in Kenya. Background. Who is Morara Kebaso? Morara Kebaso is a lawyer and activist renowned for his efforts in exposing alleged corruption in public projects. He has gained a large following on social media due to his outspoken commentary on governance issues. Recently, he played a prominent role in youth-led protests against tax increases, which escalated into violent confrontations. Arrest details. Date of arrest, September 30th, 2024. Circumstances. Kebaso was apprehended at his office in Kahawa Sukari by masked individuals believed to be police officers. During the arrest, his devices were confiscated, raising concerns about due process and transparency. Charges against Kebaso. Nature of charges. Kebaso is charged with cyber harassment under Section 27 of the Computer Misuse and Cybercrime Act 2018. He is accused of disseminating false information about businessman David Langat on social media, alleging financial misconduct related to President William Ruto's campaign financing. Specific allegations. The allegations claim that Langat financed Ruto's campaign through loans secured by his properties, which are now reportedly being auctioned. It is also alleged that Ruto is involved in purchasing these properties at undervalued prices. Court proceedings. Initial hearing. Kebaso appeared at the Milimani Law Courts, where he was granted bail of Ksh 50,000. The court scheduled a hearing for October 4th to decide if he will face trial. Legal representation. His defense team, including prominent figures like Martha Karua, argued that the charges were flawed and lacked a specific complainant. Public reaction, activism, and support. The arrest has sparked widespread protests and social media campaigns under hashtags like #FreeMoraraKebaso. Activists and human rights organizations, including Amnesty International, have condemned the arrest as an abuse of power aimed at silencing dissent. Concerns over freedom of expression. The case raises significant questions about the limits of free speech in Kenya, especially for activists challenging powerful figures. Implications for activism in Kenya. Chilling effect on free speech. This incident may deter individuals from speaking out against corruption or government actions due to fear of legal repercussions. Government accountability. Kebaso's activism underscores ongoing issues regarding accountability in governance and the role of civil society in advocating for transparency. Conclusion. Morara Kebaso's case highlights critical issues concerning freedom of expression and the treatment of activists in Kenya. As the legal proceedings continue, they will likely serve as a litmus test for the state of civil liberties in the country. The upcoming hearing on October 4th will be pivotal in determining not only Kebaso's fate, but also the broader landscape for activism in Kenya.